Amega Cleaning Service, your one-stop shop for all your on-site and off-site rug cleaning requirements. We deep clean all types of rugs for homes, offices, schools, churches, and guest houses. No one cleans rugs more thoroughly and protects your investment better than the Amega Cleaning Team. Our domestic and commercial rug cleaning service flush out soils and contaminants, leaving your rugs looking, feeling and smelling clean and healthy. Amega Cleaning is a professional rug cleaning service with trained technicians who knows how to handle the delicate fibers in all types of rugs. Amega Cleaning Service strives to provide an inarguably first-class and responsive rug cleaning, a service that promotes a cleaner and healthier environment. We deep clean rugs using the extraction method, and we wash rugs top and bottom. We combine the use of industrial cleaning equipment, equipped with two 3-stage 1400-watt motors, together with top-quality cleaning agents for best results. We only use environmentally friendly non-toxic chemicals that is safe for children, animals, and the elderly. Whether it's arrival on time for you, or the peace of mind knowing that we can restore your rugs, or just making sure everything is put back in its proper place, Amega Cleaning will provide you with a service like you have never had before, improving your indoor environment one property at a time. We don't cut corners, we clean them.